Hello everyone, my name is Aman Rashid. You're watching Mr. Phone, and this right here is the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro, a smartphone which brings the Snapdragon 888 experience for just about 40,000 rupees. And this phone is not just about the Snapdragon 888 processor. I think it's quite a looker as well. And talking about looks, lately I've been liking how Xiaomi has treated the camera bump on its smartphones, and this two-layer design looks gorgeous undoubtedly. So the main lens here is a 108 megapixel HM2 sensor, and this is coupled with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera. At the front, what you're getting is a 20 megapixel selfie snapper in this very tiny punch hole. Now, to know how this phone fares in terms of taking photos and videos, stay tuned for the full review coming out very soon. And of course, if you don't want to miss that, then do consider subscribing to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel, and also press that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. So this is the celestial silver color of the Mi 11X Pro, and it comes in this beautiful color shifting design, which of course depends on how the light hits the surface. And yeah, this is a matte texture that we are looking at here. The lunar white color also comes with a matte texture design, while the cosmic black color is the one that comes with a glossy finish, I believe. So the phone's frame looks every bit classy, but it is made out of plastic since I can't see any antenna lines. So I'm presuming this is a plastic frame. And speaking of antenna lines, according to Mi 11X Pro's landing page, this phone only supports two 5G bands for India, that is when 5G releases in the country. Moving on to the front, there's a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus, a 120Hz E4 AMOLED display, and it is drop dead gorgeous to look at. Wide viewing angles, top-notch brightness levels, and in this brief time, I just have to say that things look really good on this panel and colors just pop. Otherwise, in terms of ports and buttons, you get a USB Type-C port, a primary mic, dual nano SIM slots, and a speaker at the bottom. Sadly, no expandable storage here. At the top, you see the secondary speaker, which makes this phone have a stereo speaker setup. Besides this, there's a slot for the secondary mic, and there's also an IR blaster if that's something you fancy. The volume and power buttons are on the right, and the power button also doubles up as the fingerprint sensor, which works pretty fast. Finally, you guys already know about the SoC this phone comes with, that is the Snapdragon 888. You get a choice of two variants, that is either you get 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. RAM comes standard as 8GB LPDDR5 on both variants. In terms of software, there is MIUI 12 based on Android 11, and I think MIUI has finally met its match in the Snapdragon 888 SoC, because up until now I haven't seen any hint of lag or stutter, and I hope it remains this way. And I also hope that I don't see any ads, since I already disabled all those ad toggles while setting up the phone. I also skipped downloading the suggested apps. So as of now, everything looks clean, everything is flying, things are buttery smooth, and as I just said, I hope it remains this way. But yeah, how it fares in the longer run, that I'm going to let you know in my full review. So that's about it for the video, guys. These were my initial impressions of the Mi 11X Pro. Have to admit that this phone looks very promising now. I really hope that the cameras deliver, because in all the other departments, I don't know, man. I have a feeling that this phone is already a winner. But yeah, not drawing any conclusions right now. Stay tuned for the full review. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, share this video with others, and of course subscribe to the channel if you love our content. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. See you guys in the next one.